Hello guys, this is just a quick update on the previous video for setting up utility classes. So we had this column set up. Alright, and also I had to add one extra setup for the three columns, which is 311, and because there are cases where at this breakpoint it's really not going to be okay to have them three, depending on what you're doing, and in some cases it may be okay. So at this breakpoint I had to create a separate one. But then what I want to talk about is we've applied this column to this grid layout to this three column grid setup, and they have different content. So one of the things that we did not do was to take care of that, and by default I would like all the contents to to stretch. So you could just go all the way down here and then choose this option, and once you do that, you see they're going to stretch. And if you have content with different volume, like you have these button stretches all the way down here because you have a lot of text here and you have fewer text here and just a bit more text here, you could always combine this with flexbox. So the way you can push down this button here is that really has nothing to do with the grid layout, and you probably wouldn't want to use I don't think you really need a utility class for this. So you could just go into the second to the last element here and make sure you are on that element, and then go to layout and let's see this. So let's select this. So you make sure that you have your flexbox displays to the parent. So you check it to display vertical. And then when you go into the child element, you're going to see the flex grow, which you're going to set to 1, and then that is going to push down the button, and you do the same for this. So you make sure that you are and then you go to this to make sure that you are on the elements, not on the class, and then set that flex grow to 1 also. And that's how you solve problem like this. So that's just a quick update. And also remember, when we're setting up our global styles, the width and breakpoint, the section and columns, this is to be cleared out. You don't make it 0, so that is to be cleared out, because 0 is actually a unit. You don't want it to have any unit. So that is just an update to that. And also additionally, if you could always add more and more and more utility classes to your boilerplate. Anytime you have something new, you can always add it to it, so you can be an ever-growing list of utility classes. So and just that one boilerplate, you can always update it to contain more and more utility classes. You can have utility classes for shadows, for different things that as the need arises. As you're building websites, you'll find the need to add more custom CSS on your style sheet that generally take care of every common problems that you wish to solve. You could always add that to your boilerplate. So that's just a quick update to that video. Have a great day.